Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to start our new topic, that is multiplication. So multiplication is our topic in which we have to just do our repeated addition, or we will going to use the multiplication table to solve our numbers. Okay. So when we have to add a same number so many times, so we will use multiplication for adding same number by 10 times or 3 times. So we can use multiplication. Okay. So this makes our calculation easy and better for time saving. So here we are having our first topic. Okay, here we are having our first topic, that is repeated addition. When we have to add same number so many times, just like we have to add this 5 two times, then 5 plus 5 10. It is easy. Okay, but we have to add this 5 add 10 times, then it will be a longer process for us. But here we are having 2 times 5, so we can write it 2 times 5 is 10. Or we can say that 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. So we are having this cross sign for the multiplication purpose, which we are going to use here. Next is we are having 3 boxes or 3 groups of 3 bees. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9, or we can say that 3 into 3 is 9. So here we are having our exercise, that is 10A, and here we are going to solve the questions. Let's see what we are having here. So fill in the boxes. Here we are having ice cream 1, 2, 3, 4, and in one group we are having 2 ice cream. 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8. So we are having total 8 ice creams, or we can say that 2 times 4 is 8. Okay. So next part is for your practice. Now come to our next part, that is multiplication. So if we see multiplication on number line, we are having multiply 2 by 3. So we have to multiply 2 by 3. That means we have to add 2 3 times according to our repeated addition method. Or if we see here, we are having 1, 2, 3. 3 jumps for 2 gap. Okay, each time. So we jump from 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6. Okay, let's see one more example here. That is multiply 4 by 3. We have to jump 4 numbers 3 times. So 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12. So come to our next part. So here we are having some practice questions. Okay, let's see what we are having here. That is second part. Okay, let's see second part. Here we are having 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So we can say that 5 times 2 is... Okay, students, we are having next is skipping counting. The skip counting means that you have to skip that number in every count. Just like if we are skip counting in 2. So we have to skip 2 each time. So say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is our skip counting. We have to add each time 2. Come to our next part, that is skip counting of 3. Okay, here we are having skip counting in 3. So we have to jump 3 each time. It's like 6, 9, then we have 12, then 15, then 18, then 21, then 24, then 27. Okay, next is... Okay, next is skip counting in 4. So here we are having 4, then 8, then 12, then 16, then 20, then 24, then 28, just like this. So now move to our next part. Okay, now here we are having skip counting in 5. So we are taking 5, then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So in this way, we are going to skip 5 numbers each time. Same goes with 10. Okay, here we are going to use 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Clear? Okay, here we are having our exercise that is 2.2 and question number 8. So here we are having that is count the pattern by counting 2 in 2s. Okay, this is 8 plus 2, 10, then 12, then 40, then we have to go plus 2, then we are having 16, again plus 2, we are having 18, then again plus 2, we are having 20, and last we are having 22. Okay, next come to B part, that is continue the pattern by counting in threes. So here we are going to add 3 here. 3, 3, 3. Here we are in 29. Then next we are in 32, 35, and 37. No, here we are in 38. Okay, next come to C part. So here we are having pattern by 5. Okay, let's add 5. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Next we are having 25, then 30, 35, 40, and 45. We are going to add 5 in each time. Okay. Here we are having a D question. Continue the pattern by counting in tens. In tens means we have to add 10 each time. So let's see second part, take 15, 25, 35. Now we are having 45, 55, 65, 75, and then 85. Okay, here is multiplication table of 2. That is 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are, sorry, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, 10 2s are 20. So these are the tools which we are going to use in a table form. Okay. So in this way, you are going to learn the tables. So here we are in table of 3, table of 4, table of 5, table of, okay. So here we are having table till 5. Okay, let's see the table of 5. That is 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5, sorry, 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50. So in this way, you are going to learn the tables from here. Okay, come to the next part. Okay, here we are having an exercise that is 10.3. So if you have learned the tables, then you can easily solve the multiplication part, otherwise not. So learn it properly, revise it as many times as you can, because if you can't do revision of tables, you will forget all the tables. Clear? So come to our exercise that is 10.3. So here we are having, okay, so question number 1, fill in the blank, that is for repeated addition. So here we are having second part, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So how many times are 2's are there? 4. So we can say that 2's 4 times. Okay. Next is question number B. Fill in the blanks, multiplication, repeated addition, we have to write the answer. Just like 5 3's are, 3 5's are 15. Okay, here we are having 3 5s are, sorry, we have done this part. 4 4s are 16. So we are going to add 4 times in repeated addition, and our answer is 60. Clear? In this way, you are going to solve it. Okay. Now come to our next part. Okay, here we are having some multiplication table boxes. Okay. Let's choose this one. 4 3s are 12. And if we see here, 5 9s are, that is 45. Okay. Next part, rest parts are for you. In this table, let's see, we are having this one. 2 6 are 12. Next is 5 8s are 40. And come to our next third part, that is 5 3s are 15 and 4 4s are 60. So if you have learned the table, then you can easily solve the multiplication part. So come to our next part again. Okay, here we are having count and find and fill in the boxes. Okay. So here we are having caps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we are having 4 caps in one group. So we have to add 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 12, and 4 into 3, that is 12 again. Clear? In the same way, we are having another questions. Just like if we look for cap 1, 2, 3, 4 groups are there. So we are going to write 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. And if we add these numbers, we are also having 8. Clear? Okay, come to next part. Okay, here we are having multiple choice question. Let's see. Second part, that is 5 plus 5 plus 4, that is 20. And this equals to 5 into 4. So in this way, you are going to solve these questions. Okay, now come to next part. Okay, students, now we are having word problems here. So if we look for the word problems, so we have to remember one thing. If we are collecting same number of thing or amount in a same way, then we are going to see what we are having here. So if we are given the value of one commodity and ask for many commodity, then we will going to use the concept of multiplication. So here we are having a tiger has 4 legs. Okay, then how many legs do 3 tigers? So we have given a number of legs of one tiger and asked for 3 tigers. So we are going to use the concept of multiplication. So we are having 4 legs of one tiger, and how many tigers are there? 3. That means we are having 4 3s are 12. The total number of legs are 12. Clear? Okay, let's see fourth part. An auto rickshaw has 3 wheels. Okay, how many wheels do 4 auto rickshaws have? So we know the number of wheels in one rickshaw, that is 3, and we are going to ask that the number of wheels in 4 rickshaw. So we are going to multiply. So again we are having 12 answer by default. Okay. Okay, next come to next part. Okay. So thank you so much, student, for listening us carefully. Now you all have to do is practice it. Now see you next video. Till then, all the best.